Hello friends. Today we are repairing the StarLine alarm key fob. It was already sent for repair to another service center and after one day it broke again. Looks like it fell off and broke. Let's take the keychain apart and see what we can do. In the corner we have one screw. Let's unscrew it. Having unscrewed the case, part of it fell off. It seems that the previous repairman broke the mount. It turns out that the case rests only on one latches. And so friends, we can solder the contact directly from here, which seems to have been done by the previous master. But it won't be right, because we will not be able to solder the contact from all sides with high quality. Therefore, we need to disassemble the keychain completely. And so friends, what do we see here? We need to understand whether this is a through hole at the place of soldering or not, because the contact that fell off was bent and was soldered just from above. Apparently, the contact just broke off with us, so there should be a through hole. But the master did not think much and decided that it was easier to solder from above. But he did not think that there was a spring there and there was a strong pressure on the contact. To make sure that this is one contact, you need to call him. Yes, friends, this is a through hole and you need to remove all the solder as well as the remains of a broken contact. The previous craftsman simply bent the tip of the contact and soldered it on top instead of making a through hole and doing his job well. I will remove the solder with a copper braid. I do not have enough third hand to pull out the contact that broke off. I'll try to push it with a toothpick. I managed to get the broken part of the contact. Now I need to remove all the solder with a copper braid. Let's see what I got. This is what the board looks like now without contact. Now we insert a contact into this hole and you need to solder it. I applied flux to the contacts, took solder balls. Now you need to solder the contact. Now you need to clean the surface of the flux. Well, let's see what we got. All friends collect a keychain and that's it. That's all friends. The keychain is completely ready for work. I hope the video was useful. Subscribe to the channel, put likes and see you soon friends. Bye bye.